Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Ultimea Skywave X40, a fully wireless 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos soundbar system. If you want a cinematic home theater upgrade without messy wires, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll show you how it looks in my loft, how easy this is to set up, how it performs for movies, gaming, music, and even how to tweak the sound using the Ultimea app and the remote controller. What's in the box? You get the main soundbar, 2 wireless rear speakers, and a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer. This isn't just a louder TV speaker, it's a full home theater system. The rear speakers give true surround sound, and the upward firing drivers deliver Dolby Atmos height effects. The soundbar looks sleek under the TV. The rear speakers are small and obtrusive, and the subwoofer fits in really nice. Setup is super easy. Everything connects over dual 5 GHz wireless transmission, so you get stable, low latency audio with no messy wires. Place a subwoofer on the floor or next to the TV, the rear speakers where you want them, and you're ready to go. You've got HDMI eARC, optical, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB, plus 4K HDR pass-through for your devices. Whether it's a gaming console, streaming box, or phone, you can connect everything really easily. Movies sound amazing. The Skywave X40 surrounds you with sound. Explosions, background effects, dialogue, all feel immersive.
I'll be back. I'll land the big PX in no time.
The upward firing Dolby Atmos drivers give height. You can hear helicopters overhead, rain falling, thunder rolling across the room. The 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer delivers very deep bass down to 35 Hz and delivers 530 watts of peak power, so it fits a small to mid-sized room very easily. Gaming feels immersive thanks to the wireless low latency connection. You hear footsteps, directional effects, and environmental cues.
Miles, the hunters tracked Connors to the Harlem Fish Market. Wizard. Good morning. Sounds like Craven.
Music sounds clear, vocals and mids are balanced, and the bass is full but not overwhelming. This system works for everything: movies, games, and music. One of my favorite things is the Ultimea app, which works with the Skywave X40. Through the app, you can adjust the EQ settings for bass, treble, or the dialogue. You can switch between movie, music, or game modes, test and adjust the speaker differences to better fit your room. It's intuitive and makes it easy to customize a sound to your space, which is great if your room isn't perfectly square, or if you want slightly different EQ settings for movies, games, or music. Another feature I like is the remote controller. It's simple, but it gives you a lot of control. You can switch between sound modes, music, movie, game, right from the controller. You can adjust the volume, bass, treble, and even the subwoofer levels. Mute, pause, or power off the system easily. Quick access buttons for night mode or dialogue enhancement, which is great if you're watching late or just want clearer voices. It's straightforward, but lets you fine-tune the system without needing your phone, perfect if you're on the couch. Some of you might be curious how this compares to Samsung's 3.1 Dolby Atmos soundbars. Samsung has sleek, slim options with smart features, but the Skywave X40 gives you full 5.1.2 channels, rear speakers, a wireless subwoofer, and 530 watts of peak power, all fully wireless, for a fraction of the cost. Who is this system for? Anyone upgrading from TV speakers, first-time Dolby Atmos users, people who want wireless rear speakers and subwoofer, small to mid-sized rooms, budget-conscious buyers who still want a true home theater experience. The Ultimea Skywave X40 is easy to use, looks modern, and sounds amazing. It's easy to set up, great for movies, gaming, and music, and gives you a full 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos experience without the hassle of wires. The app and the remote controller make it even better, letting you tweak settings and get the sound just right for your space. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It comes with everything you need. It comes with all the cables, the HDMI cable, as well as the optical cable, and the mounting hardware if you want to mount the speakers to the wall.
There's something happening here.